Shit. They're not letting the black girl go. Off the train. They're not letting the black girl go. They're not letting the black girl go. Of course, it's a racial thing. It's a racial thing. The black girl go. They're not letting the black girl go. Everywhere, black people are being stopped on entering trains and buses.
So what's happening here is there's a war breakout in Ukraine. Russia is invading Ukraine. Everybody's running away from the war. A lot of people trying to leave the country, trying to leave the city that is being bombed, and they're trying to get on the train to get as far away from the war. But Ukraine, what they're doing is they're not allowing black people to get on the train. They only allow white Ukrainians to get on these trains. The white people, it's really disheartening to see these videos, and there are literally thousands of other videos online, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagrams, on Telegram. Also, there are videos like this, and I'm really ashamed to see this happening in Ukraine, because a lot of people, including myself, are concerned about the Ukrainian people being bombed by Russia. And then when you watch these kind of videos where Ukraine themselves don't value the lives of black people, they rather save the space in the train for their own people to get them to safety. They not allowing non-Ukraine black to get on the train. They're not allowing black people to get on the train, to get on the buses, to get out of danger. And when it comes down to it, when the line is drawing between life and death, they will save the space for their own people. When everybody is fleeing, running away for their own safety, they will leave the black people out and save the spaces, allow their people to get on the train, to get on the buses. And let's watch the video. What they did is they allow the Ukraine to get on the train. They systematically block the door, block the windows, so no black person can get on this train. And then once the train is full, then the police standing by the door make sure even when the train start moving, nobody can jump on the train to flee. These people are not trying to get on the train when the train is moving. When the train comes to the station, the door opens. Only Ukraine were allowed to get on the train. If you're black, you're automatically not allowed. If you're trying to enter the train, they will physically remove you. And that's what is happening.
We as black people now, we shouldn't be surprised by things like this. We shouldn't. In times of crisis, okay, white people will definitely be as racist to us as possible. Okay? Wait, are they pointing guns at people? They're pointing guns. Ukrainians are actually pointing guns at black people now. Wow. They're not allowing them to go, guys. It's crazy. But this is the reality of the world, guys. And this is the reality of white people. Make no mistake. Record the racists. They are dragging Africans up buses now. It's racism. It's racism. It's what they do.
Man, these people left without taking the blacks, man.
Yes, sir.
None of the blacks, man.
Yep. It's racism now. I shouldn't be surprised.
The black guys that...
As you can see, they are the people are stranded in a war zone. There's no way for them to get out. The plane is not taking them. The train is not taking them. The bus is not taking them. The taxi will not take them. They are stranded with nowhere to go. In a war zone, out in a foreign country, no place to go. They get stranded at the bus station. The bomb is raining down on them. They have no place to go.
already have kids. They took their kids and their wife and left the niggas behind. Like, everyone is stranded. This is really too bad.
Wow.
The black community.
Shit.
They are not allowing any black people to enter inside this.
Nigeria has so many African Americans, you name it, they're all here.
Even the ones with kids, they're not allowing them in. They really have been here for days and nobody's asking any questions. Only Ukrainian women
and their kids.
They are allowing in through this gate. All the places blocked and all are full of blacks from different communities, from different countries.
Yep.
Nobody's talking to us.
So there you have it, guys.
Can the U.S. go to war, or whether, as Vanden Heuvel says, the U.S. will take on China. This is a war between slave masters, okay? This is nothing but modern-day slavery. And when the slave masters fight, you don't side with one or another master. You don't side with my master. You take advantage of the fact that they're fighting to overthrow the whole institution of slavery, to get free. And this is how we have to look at it when these imperialists fight. We're not rooting for our imperialists. We are welcoming the defeat of these modern-day slave masters in whatever they undertake, okay? Because that is one step, or could be, if we do our work right, one step closer to being able to make a revolution to overthrow them altogether.